Okay, Colin, got your 995 V2 on the bench. Got this puppy all taken care of. It was that IC right there, IC1. Here's the one I replaced. This one was working, but the output level was not high enough to open the squelch. I thought maybe there was a bad component in the line there, so I've been troubleshooting it for a little while. Turns out that it was the chip itself, just a flaky one from the factory. But you can see I got the signal cut way down on my signal generator, and yeah, folks, I did get into that thing and clean everything up. Good thing I did, because the modulation amplitude control over here, the pins had broken the solder on the back of the PC board, so I had to go back in and resolder all those, and I cleaned everything up real good while I was inside of it, so it's working really well now. I got that other big HP monstrosity, but it weighs a ton, and it's actually too long to go on my shelf up there. So got the old girl there back working like it ought to. It ought to last me another 20-30 years. I like that old box. Okay, yeah, that's the only thing that was wrong with it. And the squelch does still work. See, I can still squelch it. Yeah, let's turn it up to an S9. Should be right there. I'm on the 300 microvolt scale. I need to be at 100 microvolts and 30% modulation for an S9. Okay, there's your meter right there, S9. And I can still squelch it, even with an S9 signal. Okay. I've already showed you everything else. But that's what it was this chip right here. It was marginal. Like I said, the other one worked. I mean, it passed. I could align the squelch, and it would align like it was supposed to, but it just would not open the squelch. What is it, 44, I think, is that guy right there? That's the squelch switch right there. Okay. This guy here basically is your AGC IC. But it's all taken care of, working really good now. I get her boxed up and shipped back out to you, and I went ahead and realigned this clarifier. Right there is 12 o'clock. And you can see that center slot. Gotta touch it up a little more, it looks like. Yeah, got to touch up lower sideband just a little bit. Matter of fact, I'll do that right now. There we go. Okay. See where the markers are? Right there. That center slot. Okay. All right. Okay. She's working good. I checked out the transmitter again, make sure none of that stuff moved, and it didn't. So I'll be boxing it up and getting it back out to you. Sorry about that, but she's all taken care of 100% now. Okay, thanks a lot, Colin. Oh yes, I almost forgot. You had asked me to set the dead key at 2 watts. Well, let's see, turn your RF power down. Let's see, which one is RF power? Okay, it's this one. If you turn your RF power all the way down, Okay. And I need to get back on the dummy load, get back to that. I got 100-watt slugs in here. You can see it. With that turned all the way down, it dead keys about 2.5 watts. Okay. Audio, hello, hello, audio, audio, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, audio test. And it's adjustable all the way up to 20 watts. Audio, hello, hello, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So, if you need your dead key turned down to 2 watts, turn it all the way counterclockwise, okay? Hello, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, audio. It makes your RMS go up to about 12 watts, and it's dead key in at 2, but your peak goes up to about 60 watts. All right? Okay.